So what's up guys, my name is Path Sachin Hulagiri. Today we are going to see the topic or discuss the topic about distance and displacement. So generally, what do you mean by distance? So generally we mean the distance as like kilometers, like 10 kilometer or any type of unit like 10 centimeter. Just giving an example, 10 meter, like that. So in common terms we mean this. And what is displacement in common terms? Is misplacing things, right? We tell, right, do not misplace the things, right? That's in common term. Okay, so misplacing the things is in common term. But now today we are going to see what is the actual meaning of them both in scientific term, in physics. So let us start the video now. So we are gonna start with the first point here, which is the distance. So what does the first point say? So the length of actual path between the initial and the final points is distance. So let me give you an example here. If this is your home, this point is your home, and this point is your school, and you travel like this, and reach here. Okay, so we will take this as so we will take this as 300 meter. So this is the actual path, right? This is the actual path. So this will be distance. So this will be distance. So moving on to the displacement. So what does it say? It says the shortest path between the initial and final points. So it's the shortest path between the initial and the final point. So here also, if this is your home and this is your school, this is the displacement which has the shortest path. Let me give you an example here. We will consider this as 120 meter, and this is the displacement. So this is way too shorter than this. So it seems way too shorter, and it's very easy to reach the destination. So moving on to distance. It says that scalar quantity. What is scalar quantity? It shows only the magnitude. Only magnitude means, you can ask that what is magnitude, by the way. So magnitude is extent of something. So extent of something. It means that. Now vector quantity. It means both direction, magnitude and direction. Magnitude is extent of something, and direction is which direction, north, east, west, south, like that. So next point is depends on path. So depends on path. So what is path here? This is the path. This is the path of distance, right? This is distance, the actual path. So it depends. So this is depending on the path. This is the path of, and when we go to displacement, it says that it is independent on path. It doesn't depend on the path. It is the shortest between the initial and the final point, as I said. So moving on to the next point, which is it says that distance is always taken positive. So there is only positive distance. There is no negative distance, or it can't be 0 too. So no. So it can't be negative and 0 too also. So it will be 3 kilometer. It can be 3 kilometer, positive 3 kilo, but it can't be negative 3 kilometer or 0 kilometer. No, this can't be, this is not right, this is right. So when we come to displacement, it says that it can be positive, negative and 0 too. So there is, I'll take an example here. We can write as 3 kilometer, minus 3 kilometer, or even 0 kilometer. These are all right. So the SI unit of the distance is nothing but the meter, and the SI unit of displacement is also meter. So this is the basic difference between these two, the distance and displacement.